Hi friends! Panna Cotta is an authentic traditional Italian dessert with a very delicate taste. We offer you its classic vanilla version and also, on the eve of Christmas, another version with the addition of Christmas nougat. To prepare the panna cotta you will need fresh liquid cream, 500 grams, sugar, 80 grams, gelatin sheets, 8 grams, the sachet of pure vanillin. Place fresh liquid cream in a saucepan. Add a packet of pure vanilla and sugar. Bring to a simmer over low heat, but do not boil it. If you have a thermometer, the temperature of the cream should be 85 to 90 degrees Celsius or 185 to 194 Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, soak the gelatin sheets in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes. When the gelatin has softened, remove it from the water. Squeeze it lightly and plunge it into the pan with the hot cream. Stir well so that there are no lumps. Pour your panna cotta into glasses or bowls. Cool and place in the refrigerator for several hours to set. You can diversify your dessert by adding pieces of traditional Christmas nougat. Just cut the nougat into pieces and place it at the bottom of the bowl into which you will pour the dessert. After a few hours, when your dessert has set, you can serve it in a glass or bowl, or you can take it out on a saucer and top it with caramel or chocolate. To make your dessert slide out of the bowl with ease, Simply dip the bowl in hot water for a few seconds and then put it on a saucer. This elegant way of presenting will surely impress your guests. And voila! Your holiday dessert is ready. Buon appetito! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.